Today I'm going to show you how to do a really simple upgrade, installing a vent cover for the Fantastic fan. I've gotten to a couple of locations in the past where the vent was open when I got there, and I don't know how. I always make sure that everything is closed up when I leave, but it was open. So at least this way I don't have to worry about water getting in while I'm traveling down the road, or if I'm out and it starts pouring down rain, I won't have to rush back and get the vent closed. So what you're going to need is denatured alcohol, self-leveling lap seal, screwdriver, Sharpie, plastic putty knife. Don't use metal, otherwise you'll end up scraping or scratching the fiberglass. Now it does come with all the necessary hardware, but I am replacing the screws that came with it with stainless steel screws, so at least that way I know that they're not going to rust. And I did make sure they are the same size, so it'll work fine. And last, the vent cover. So let's get started. Okay, I've taken the Sharpie and I've put marks where the slots are on the vent cover, just to make sure that it lines up with the screws, because you're supposed to remove the second screw. So 1, 2, 1, and 2. So now I'm just going to go on and remove the putty. This feels pretty much the same as scraping bubblegum off a sidewalk. Well, I will say the South does have a few good attributes. It is February 1st. I'm in a short sleeve shirt and I'm sweating. Okay, well, the sweating's not a good attribute, but being in a short sleeve shirt February 1st pretty much makes doing this maintenance stuff and upgrades a whole lot easier. Still scraping the putty. Okay, you can see I've removed the putty. I've also removed the screws on both sides. Alright, I've cleaned everything off and rubbed it down with the denatured alcohol. These are what I will be replacing them with. I've got to put the putty down, I've got to fill in the screws with the putty, then put these down, screw those in, and then the vent just clips onto here. Okay, so before you put the top on, you've got to install the little washer onto this little knob, and they are held on with these little clips. Well, that is how you install a vent cover. It was pretty easy. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.